tuthite na mbere bwega gankugwate ogeni kiri Nteto cietu cia Thaa Mugwanja unimbitagwa DORCAS wa KAARIA gatwambirie. CEO wa mbondi ya wendia nchobi Meru nio Alcohol Board Gitonga Kubu augite no mwanka biashara cionthe cia wendia bwa nchobi na nyumba cia ikenero irirwe baruga nicio license. Akubu akiaria na ritete mukana akira biashara baria bari thirikari ne cia county na kinya kiri thirikari nene bonde no mwanka bethirwe na baruga cia kugitirwa biashara ciao.
The other issue rankwenda kwariria ntukwena arua winde CEO wa Alcohol Board ni especially to the county staff na bambiwe bo ya county staff yonthe ya na the national government employees. It is not a crime kwithira wina biashara ya kumba kuruta biashara ya wendia no nyuibwa nchobi, but the problem ni antu baba ingi bakumba kwa staff yetu thina weto kethira muntu aimwera windi the employee of county government itere usuru no kwirire u. The act does not exempt anybody. Ketho to exempt nyantu baradia bethera baina mawathe batwe in the liquor licensing, not a county employee, no a national government employee. Bonde ni bare, and I'm wanting my staff aswa kwanza mfanyikazi wa serikali ambaye ako na mshahara and who is supposed to be leading as an example. Ndawo tri muntu kwenda kuibwa wende atiri ite license provided na inspectorate na kathia ta mawatho nethra nya tu ti mawatho ketho inspection we na inge. Whether you are an employee of the national government or the county government, it's a must you close your premise. Uti mtu kwa exempted. No one is exempted. Na mtu ro ipawe kwa ya exemption. A payment of liquor license is only His Excellency the Governor of Meru, Reverend Mutuma Twethingia. Tikinya winde ta CEO. So ninkoria members ba kwa staff. If I come across a premise, URETERI within your sub-county wanjeri ombira ngono seka mankura. Wimbira uyu anga ni muritingo county government anga muritingo national government. Ukaambira in the Liquor Act ya 2016 no kwa exempted. Na ninkuria aritingo ya swaba county government ni balinda as an example na national government. Yes, there are many. I came across umwe Nteto muntu rietwa is a sub-county administrator wina mba Tigania West kwina bangi baina cio Maua kwina bangi baina cio Lare na kwina bangi baina cio Weru Thaa Mugwanja. Even politicians, if you are an MCA kinya uwe kuria usuru ni lazima. Even if you are a member of parliament kambuwe u egitarara kuma 2018 mheshimiwa Kiraitu Murungi ari governor of Meru County, His Excellency Governor Kiraitu Murungi itareu na ari notiria wita heritage ote muntu ote misi no ore ai number 1. By an example ingi mheshimiwa Kuba Kiringo when he was a member of parliament for Igembe Central Kiringo Lodge yoni toni mwekuru Kuba Kiringo lakini no ore anwe liquor license yewe ai number 2 and other various MCAs baikuwa na bangi nya baumekere ni bare ya usuru. Kwa hivyo whether you are sitting MCA or no we former we muritingo county government we muritingo national government kulipa usuru hiyo ni lazima ni bare yetu tekwenda nyabo tukirithana na bota fadhali tekwenda to yokirithana mtu noriku but wenda tukirithana there is no problem. I will do my job ingwene kwa nkethira ande na ngamerita perfectly lo battery omerita na yanji even my staff we kwa baritenguyo within the law uraba battery kuritanguyo utiri mtu exempted kuma kuria usuru bwa thirikari. Liquor license is a must if you want kethano kwenda kuendelea na biashara yoendia no nyuibwa nchobi.
Mateta ni jokitwe iguru ria kugwa gwa kithomo kiri cukuru cia secondary cia muthenya gicigo bunge kia Buri ontobuku chiritie na inya muno agwati mbaruba kithomo. Ministry ya kithomo gukurukira obichi ya Buri sub county director wa kithomo bagwatanirite na andu anyingi ni bathuranirite seminar ya moritani ireretete amwe BOMs principals na arimu kuma kiri secondary mwanya sub county neu kenda guchwa ntaira ya mathina jaria ja gutuma kithomo gikagwa. Baugite kwina bataya kwagirithio tongerio ba macukuru gutigira ana bena mitugo mega na kinya chiari kwaragia na ana bao gatigate kama antu jangi kathumba. Riboti dhuraniri negaki wa Mutegi.
Kithomo gya cukuru cia Nde Secondary School kuma Buri kithiritwo gikionekana kuindama ontubura butumite atongoria ba kithomo gukurukira mwerekithio kithomo Buri na ikundi bingi bawatanira kirikurutha training kiri arimo amwe na mbio mba cukuru ino kuma Buri kenda bamenya bungo ikothina yongwe kuma.
Masomo ni muhimu sana. Serikali yetu ya Kenya inalinda masomo, inapenda masomo ya watoto ndiposa tuko hapa
atugwatanirite na atongeria bathirikari ba mathomo na zaidi twareta BOM Board of Managers ya cukuru imwe na imwe cukuru 31 kenda tumba kwaraniria mantu jegie uria tukenderithia kithomo gitu rutera ruru rwetu rwa Buri na Nkuruki ontu uria twitite ki mathomo jetu kiri constituency yetu itukona mathomo ja kwenda jokirwe
Buri ri onze na Meru ri onze kithomo gitite gigita nthiguru na tukona de secondary schools chetu chietite gita nthiguru na ikio nontu nande tukuchokanira twinthe turania ina tutigwita ngugi bwegana na ate tukathithia kenda tumba gukiria skuru iu na gikao giki gikwithirwa kiri very powerful.
Na nyuma ya kithomo giki bara bagunikite nakio baruga bachoka skuru bagatigira buru kithomo gigukira na gitichoka nyuma kairi.
Like the Bible says, if the iron is not sharpened, the user has to use twice energy. So I want to believe after we are out of this place, we shall be able, we have got the right scale so that we can use the same scale ili tuweze kuhakikisha kwamba kile ambacho tunahitaji kukiona tumekiona, which is good results.
We have learned a lot. They taught us about leadership and management, whereby when we go from here, we are going to implement and produce good results. Not only that, they are providing us training on conservation of our environment. Therefore, we are really very grateful to them. They have provided us with so many resources at the school level. Just it is us to improve the academic performance.
We were really excited. It is very impactful. It has been a very impactful training because board members have been empowered on their roles. They have been enlightened on what is their loss in schools and how can they help the schools to improve in academic performance.
Kuma gicigo mbunge kia Buri ngiripotera Nteto cia Weru niukambitaga ki Mutegi.
Spika wa bunge ya kaunti ya Tharaka Nithi John Babu noritie mwingi gwikira muno kuthima gwathiria yao ya mwiri kinya riria bateajitwe niyo check up nikenda kurigiria mbajua iria ciethagirwa igikunjirwa na aria augite kuri na mabitha baugima kinya cibitari-ini cia matura na kwou ni babatere kujukagia munyakaju kuona ni bakuthimwo gima baba mwiri nikenda mithimo itikonekage kagita kare tiumba kinya tunga totauria Nicholas Chabare agutariria.
Thirikari ya kaunti ya Tharaka Nithi
kulingana na spika wa assembly ya kaunti ya Tharaka Nithi to John Babu aritara antu ibwega bakathina mbe na kwiraithagiria miri yao nikenda bamenya ugima abobo miri nonto igitarire gukonekana antu bari gwatwa indwari ngafura na bakathina mbe na kuthangika bonene
na tukiona atwina binya nituge tukagire bara cibitari tukathima thimwa muntu akathimwa blood pressure ukathimwa kidney ukathimwa into cionthe ukona wegwa no mbega nonto endino nonto a lifestyle yo tugutura mirimo ni guca nginya tutikumenya koguo ni tuku advice antu mekaranga muntu ni athia kathimwa au chuka level 5 akoneka wegwa no mwega na akendelea na safari yake.
Babu augite kinya cibitari ya chuka icibitari yina into bionthe bia bikwendekana no ende ibakwenda ndagitari egwa kuthinjana na thirikari no thiete na mbe no tirania noe
tikanoge makithi guciria cibitari ire kuraca kwina facilities cionthe a chuka level 5 na amendete bara muntu akumama na nginya TV yake na balcony yake na akamama wega na nitukuromba nonto kwina mandagitari eganu antu kairi matikathine kuthi cibitari cia baraca specialist monthe maria but kirikisi ino yo munthi ino ya umirira kiri mathiko mamaturi ma Pastor Ann governor area aware that tutena neurosurgeon achuka level 5 hospital na governor ya kuruta wira na munene wa neurosurgeon Kenya tawe Dr. Bole umete chuka kona atine akwalokitwa no ndagitari umwe neurosurgeon kenda kisi tainu ithia gutwika referred cigwikia andu agwa awa beto chuka referral hospital
nkoroki yauna wetete ate kinya assembly ya Tharaka Nithi ntuite kuraja kethirwa ekujura antere echakathwana na ya ithambe na kwanjirio gutumika
county assembly chambers igwite ina thina miaka mingi kuma 2013 tutulite nyombani cia mabati but endino ni turambiririe na nkamunenkera rukono rwabo turambiririe twina court order ya gutwitikiria twendelea gutuma turatumire twakinyankina slab ya mbere na twalombire president wa Kenya ambe gututethereria na president kuma slab ya mbere riu ni aretekire anatutumira mu China uria contractor uria uri site thaa ino na uria uraugire within mieri ina chembenu ikegwere mbicuru koguo riu ana rimu betukite mukathie bo mukona but ni turatumite nkinya twekira ngoroba ya mbere riu mu China ni aca alibori kuendelea kuthie iguru kwa kisha nginya chembenu within the chamber na offices within the next 4 months tubate kugatura athamiru nyombere anjeru chambers iri anjeru
kuma choka igamba ng'ombe Petan class Chabari.
Akariba mukothimani boretwe kwa kana ni bachumiretie kwariria murandi jo rujirjwa na ndora bakiuga batekugunika kiri murandi jo na nteto iri kwa ruani chiorongo kuringana na Akariba ba murandi jo jwa rungamire mbere jureka bakiuga wirigero buria bari na buba kugunika na murandi jo nebwathirire bakira tongeria bao kujutegera.
Kariba na ndora wadia mukothimani bareganite na mariore bakuga kwibo bakuga murandi wa roje wa nandora ni warikire roje ruria rwari rurutwe kirimani kia nandora bakiuga gutege ntutakiu na noka bathiete na mbere na kuthangika
no tieri gutwara kinya no rimwe ona ruthi tutekirwa ona tutangi tutakirwa
gutiege ntuteku tuona tiona itwamire milioni 13 iciaurire na tukethia kinya semina tukenuka tukobete marandu
bariuga roje ruru ari rubatetherie gwetetheria ende mwankagia thaino no kaba kuthinika batona roje rwa kurima na ruo
andora kwithagirwa kwena igita riumo sana ukurukira majura rira kwitharia twagutena mbura ya kugana roje ruru twaugite tugatethwa na ru kira muntu wanandora na kuma agakuthi kilomita nkarukia 50 bonthe bagitetheka gukurukira ruji ruru
kuringana na bo murandi uyu ni wari weru wao nandora ni onto batona murandi ungi ntera ino ni wari wa mbere
na tuthingatire no tutio no tutawatire wiciathi nandora na mwanki tutionaga
kiao yeto kuma murandi uyu wakurukirwo murandi uyu kumakurukire kuma 19 rera mirandi ajio koga tutona murandi kairi
bariromba atongoria bao batongoretwe ni gavana Muthomi Njuki kuthingatira murandi uyu wethokirikirwa
twegweni boto watie kuthingatĩria murandi uyu wa nandora water project utethie akaji banandora na aswa Kenya yonthe gatetheka no tugintu kira kirema gwa ntura taturi bonka barijaga katuma ende ukaya kwegwa bwana excellency Muthomi Njuki ukegwa ntumerie no geria kuthingatĩria murandi uyu wone kumara gwanjiria mwankaro tigiritwe already uruthetwe percent kidogo sana
ito Muthomi Njuki tore ngabana gwa Tharaka Nithi county ririkana na ndora ito twakuthaitha itwa nama ito twakwereka bayokethi kuma miandie nwe tigero kaya baigwa twenjira kithimeke baitu ukona mbeca inu na aciarirwe ito twagwita burotetagwa
indi tukuromba ngabana kana tongoria betu bonthe ba county teibarithire mbeca ino cietu twarongoire tukwa mbeca milioni 15 na mono gutie tutamenya ntu tutangi twasikitunga twakirwo na tutaruthire kinya finishing na murari gwatuika no athirire
kiripotera Weru TV kuma Tharaka Mbita Makena uambabo
ndaike 14 kichia gitoka nyuma ya Thaa Mugwanja cia muthenya mutegeri ni bwega no tubagwita na mbere kuthingatĩria nteto cietu kaumagaruka mutambone tuchokere nyuma ya kagita gate kuraja na nteto nkuruke.
Azam TV, your favorite pay TV, just got even better. Effective 1st March 2026, we have added 5 amazing new TV channels to keep you entertained day and night. AMC Movies and Nolly Africa for the best of Nollywood movies and series. Music Box Hits and Music Box Dance for non-stop music hits and dance. And Manchester United TV for football fans. More movies, more music, more sports. All in one place.
Kiwanda cha Duralong Mabati. Tuko na bidhaa mbalimbali kama vile Duralong Versatile, Duralong Roman Tile, Duralong California Tile, Duralong Texas Tile, Duralong Home Tile na Duralong Box Profile. Vyote vinapatikana kwa rangi tofauti na kwa bei nafuu kabisa. Pia tuna vifaa vya kuunda paa la nyumba, yani roofing, kama vile roll tops, ridges na misumari. Kwa maelezo zaidi, piga simu kwa nambari 0710 120 590 au 0110 581 292. Fanya oda yako leo, ufurahie ofa kubwa na ya kipekee ukinunua bidhaa zetu. Mabati ya Duralong ni imara na hudumu hata katika hali mbaya ya hewa. Tuna huduma ya usafirishaji wa haraka na wa kuaminika kote nchini. Masharti na vigezo kutumika. Duralong Mabati, your ultimate roofing partner.
Nuko thogania gweta sukuru kienda kuthomera ndagitari. Thoganire gikeno gya kuja muritwa. Sukuru ikomenya gwitana na kuonania mantu tareria yokurugurira mirango ya muturire no gakarabwega na bangi. Aja utekuringa ndari. Ngugi ya ndagitari yambaire na kumenya programs ire gwetania na kirio kwenda. Chukuru ya ndagitari ekuonia rito gwetania bwega na ngugi ewe utungata bwega na mwajia kanganiro ikurigito ndagitari uteguchetha karata na uturo bwawe nontu na kumenya uria kugita. Aja inyoga keno kithoma ukamenya talanta na interest ciaku na ukenerora kugwita nontu kithomo tikuga uturo bongi abo karungama. Jata ijoke etheraja Imperial College of Medical and Health Sciences. Ujokani ba mweri jwe 5 ibwetete na mbere campus yetu Thika na kinya campus Njero Nakuru. Nontu bwanteto nkuru kitu ringire thimu namba 0719 223 223. Imperial College of Medical and Health Sciences, committed to professional excellence.
Welcome to Imperial College of Medical and Health Sciences.
Over 1900 games brought us here, but history doesn't care about the journey.
The Premier League is the best league in the world.
La Liga is far and beyond the biggest winner.
It only remembers how it ends.
We bought it.
8 titles. 1 month of mayhem to decide them all. Stay connected and watch GoTV to catch the football season finale this May. It's on.
Imagine coming home to comfort, security, and space for your family. A place where memories are made and life is lived to the fullest. Meru Heights Luxury Apartments, located just 1 kilometer from Greenwood City Mall Meru and 500 meters from Gitimbene, is your ultimate destination. Meru Heights Luxury Apartments is accessible via Meru Makutano bypass, and we are offering well-furnished 3-bedroom suites with reliable water supply, 24/7 security, and ample parking. Live life easy with amenities at your doorstep. Make memories, not worries. Book your dream home today with Meru Heights Luxury Apartments. For more information, you can visit us or call us on 0706 702 003 or 0712 050 449, or you can visit our website www.meruheights.com. Meru Heights Luxury Apartments, where comfort meets class.
Mutamani yoka yothire otuta kembeche tina baita tiambi na oteko chenjia
Botwaja gairo bitego tutethia neke.
hai tokorega
Ng'ombe ciako itiraragire.
Ngoko ciako itekorekia.
Ngoro chako na guchenga iko chenga.
Aremi. Ituigetwa matata zenu na ikio tuboretere mutaaramu irio bia ndethia.
Aha. Mugeni aremi betu. Nukumenya mtoto umagaruka auga ni nyina kyo wize kuruga. But with a nice choice mkombozi fins ituigetwe kiriro kienu na nikyo tweza kubonokia. Irio bietu bithithitu na teknoloji ya kinande na itogotigira bire na quality na standard.
Nice choice fits ni irio bia ndethia kumba kambuni ya Nice Mwea. Twena irio bia ndethia cionthe tabio Dairy Mill, Maize Jam, Soy and Winner, Pig Finisher, Chick Mash, Layers Mash, Kienyeji Mash na binge bibinge. Irio bietu bithondeki note abo kinande na standard ya iguru nikenda gutigira ndethia ciaku ciena riri na ugima bwega bwa mwiri nikenda ugocha murimi wona umithio na baita kuma kiri ndethia ciaku. Irio bietu biri agrovet kana ndukene cia kwendia irio bia ndethia irere ya kwinagwe nontutu county na cia Meru, Tharaka Nithi, Embu, Nyeri, Laikipia, Kiambu, Nakuru na Nyandarua. Nice Choice Animal Feeds, siri yaku gwe murimi.
We are turning up the heat on Star Times. Unravel the thriller mystery of the evil eye returns on Star Life. Fall for the irresistible charm of What's Wrong with Secretary Kim on Novella E+. Get absorbed in the emotional twist of My Wonderful Life on Novella E. Step into the all-new season of Hello Mr. Right, Kenya's most exciting dating reality show on Rainbow Plus. Renew your subscription today, starting from just 329 Kenya shillings for Nyota Bouquet on the aerial decoder or 549 Kenya shillings for Nova Bouquet on the dish decoder. Download the StarTimes app to stay connected anytime, anywhere. StarTimes. Enjoy digital life.
Bwega mutengeri wa Weru TV nontubagwitana mbere kuthingateria nteto ciatu tugicokera akuru baria batungatete au mbere kirindwangi cia jeshi na gwita ritaya ni bejete amwe kenda kwibanga bakiuga kiri baingi butithagiro buri ontu bobo kumenyerio toro jamu Kenya wa withire kagita gakinya bakiaria baugite bakaibanga kenda kinya kuthingateria mbeche ciao na marupurupu jangi gutwika gutina umu riboti dhuranirine ni class chabari.
Military retired officers from kutoka Dhochi mpaka Kathangasheni kuda Tharaka.
Na mworoto gutigira mabitha ba jeshi baba ritajire kaunti ya Tharaka Nithi bakuthinamba no tura abwega ikio nonto mabitha baba bwebuthuranĩtie nĩ kenda abathuranĩra gwithiro kwina ngwatanĩro yao ira bakathinambe na kũraithanagiria na kũmenyanĩra na kũmenyana bibura bathiĩte na mbere bwega mũtũrĩre-inĩ.
Even after you retire, the KDF, the Ministry of Defense, has not forgotten us. And they cannot remember us when we are scattered all over. We need to have a system, a structure where we are reachable and where we can also reach out. And that is basically why this initiative is there. It has been there for some times. It is now disseminating in Asamba, kwa counties, to sub-counties, and maybe in the future to village levels.
Nukuona munjeshi ria uma kuungana na muraia ni ngumu ni gushabwe na binya zaidi. Nitumona mauma makinya na makeomba nuntu matikuona muntu ke nuntu onaruga iria maragia ti iria mukwaria nawo riu kethira muntu eumbire ota gutwika na akahota kurwara na ati kumenya kana ni murwaru ni tukwenda guca turi bamwe kenda tupota gukinyira muntu nu kenda umenya ka pension gaku kagenda gatia wego ni gacaga tukwire gacagata na wego gatishaga to make sure ka pension gaku gagutao gagoca
nitwenda kuleta muntu ondo alitaire honorably atena ka kaudhu kidogo ero nyamwira utua too much no tukwenda kuleta together nikenda tigekare no mashirani mukwigwa twenda kuthie mpaka ata very level
bariuga babongwa ata amabitha abanjeshi batene baina maotea na maotaramu baraba bakuthinambe na utetheria kinya muturire-ini wa ntugo ino kinya kiri thirikari ya kaunti ya Tharaka Nithi.
Aha twina mandagitari twina arimu twina engineers mama miteke mumete na umushi ni twenda kuruta in kutweneo that we have ita kwa county kenda tupota kukuria county ni twenda kwa anajeshi walitaye utweke a role model to raia wego ni kanyombo kiguchawe na kanyombo kega wego no theru no kuthera wega ukona kijana akuona gacha ukura giokuru.
Using this forum now, kila mtu anaweza jua ala kumbe nilikuwa hapa. Now we are able to bring together the experiences zile ambazo tulingather in different areas when you are serving. As the chairman has just told you, this is one way of ensuring that once you retire, you don't vanish, you don't get lost. You still continue living and being present and being recognized.
Kumachuka Gabangombe, Petan Class, Chabari.
Au ni oto gwikira gatanta nteto ciatu ni bwega mutegeri nontu bakwethirwo thingatirĩtie nteto ciatu cia Thaa Mugwanja kwendera kagita gaka thongi itana mbere kuthingatirĩa mibango yonthe ya Weru TV jurio mubango jurio jo kwijirite nyuma ya kagita gate kuraja jo akatiba ka Gen Z oni mbetagwa DORCAS wa KAARIA.
Ni Weru TV.